If you're in need of a face mask during this pandemic, I got you. My face masks are one size, but there is a wire in the nose part of every mask so that you can adjust it and get a custom fit to the nose of the wearer. There's also an adjustable strap that goes along the entire face mask. It's one strap that starts on one end, it feeds around, and it comes out the other end. So you can adjust the strap by pulling on the string to make it longer or shorter wherever you need to. The masks are actually reversible. I can wear this mask on this side, or I can reverse it and wear it on the other side as well. They are washable. I do recommend that you either hand wash them or wash them in cold. I'm not a doctor. I am not a medical professional, nor do I play one on TV. So I am not giving you any type of guarantee that by wearing these masks, you're going to prevent 100% coverage and not get any disease. That's not what I'm saying. I just want to give you an alternative to the paper products that you use once and throw away. So this way you can reuse it, one, and two, you can be a little stylish, right? So if you need masks, let me know and fill out the information below. Be safe. Oh, and colors are while supplies last. There's an abundance of colors, but there's only while supplies last. Okay?